18 LED lights captivate your senses with surround lighting for that ultimate makeup experience. 18 high CRI LED bulbs lets you see colors in its most natural form. Smart touch sensors shift from color settings to brightness control seamlessly with touch sensors. Smart memory functions automatically record your last desired settings to save you time. Color temperature settings customize your look for all occasions with tricolor settings. Warm white for romantic dinner dates, neutral for the office and cool white for the great outdoors. USB power, powered up by USB socket or power bank. Output of the adapter needs to be 5 volts minus 2A, 12 volts will burn out the chip that lights the light bulbs. Gift package. Elegant color box with handle, perfect present for mother, wife, girl. Top reviews from the United States. Really nice mirror. I bought this mirror for my wife who has just purchased herself a new makeup desk. She wanted one of these mirrors with the lights around the edge that can be changed in brightness and warmth. This mirror has a touch screen panel built into the mirror which is great and very easy to use. Simple press the power on then select the brightness level and warmth. It's a really nice mirror that looks great on her new desk and she is absolutely over the moon with it. So for the following reasons I am going to rate it 5 stars. Easy to set up. Easy to adjust brightness and warmth. Great size and stands firm on desk. Looks fantasta.